got her juice. Bird, show your juice to the camera. See?
Paneras.
So it's nice she got her juice. Now, on back to the expedition of the lady who is broken, and now she's just riding along. Ooh, this is the grandma ride along.
The grandma ride along.
So now, see, that wasn't very nice. You out here saying she riding dirty. It's not like she locked and loaded out up in here.
You never know. You never know.
You're right, that purse does weigh like 825
There
pounds.
could be a shotgun up in here.
What will you do with these folks?
Now, where did it
See
say?
that kitchen?
Kitchen and bath. She was right. But
No, that's creating them, Mom. That's not the same.
Yeah.
That's like making this.
Well, you going there and buy stuff, buy pieces.
I know I was going to ask Fred now.
You gonna ask Fred?
I know I was going to ask Fred.
No.
Fred said he left you a voicemail, by the way.
Special.
So. But anyway. All right, so now we're going to
Tell Fred we missed him.
Okay.
He doesn't do the shuffle.
Rib Fest is back and going around.
Rib Fest, you said?
That's what I said.
Rib Fest.
So you said Rip Fest.
No,
first.
the ribs.
Rib.
These things that are right here, you got about 12, 14 of them. 10.
Nobody's eating human ribs, Mom. We're not cannibals.
Ribs are ribs, right?
Oh! No.
Tell her like it is. Ribs are
no,
ribs.
No, no, no.
That's like Kroger being Kroger.
Yes, Kroger being Kroger.
It was not.
That's a story for another time, y'all, too.
You know it's a lie.
No, we're on our way to ABC, I think, or ARC or something.
ARC.
It's an A. We know it's an A.
We're going to the arc reactor that Tony Stark made.
All right, we're going to the A that really has washers, dryers, refrigerators, and the fridge is what we're stroking for. The fridgy fridge.
The fridgy fridge.
Yes.
All right, y'all. So we're now about to pull into ABC. This is
Yeah, ABC. ABC. 1, 2, 3. You and me. Woo, ABC. You and me.
That's Michael Jackson.
Yeah,
When he looked like Michael Jackson.
We don't look like Michael, but we can sing like Michael. Oh,
Oh my God.
I said we can. I know that 5 people that could sing their little hearts out if they had only tried it. If they had, yeah.
Okay.
If they'd ever try it. You know what? See, if you don't try it, what you don't get. Why are we going back forwards? He's going forward. Oh my good gracious! I'm thinking we're going backwards,
She thought I was going back.
and and this man's pulling out forward. Lord have mercy! But here we go again. It's called ABC Warehouse. Look, and it says Mickey Mobile Electronics.
The closest thing to wholesale.
It's the closest.
We will
thing.
see. This is an experience.
With
we have
something
not had before.
we've never had before, so we're gonna try. All right, y'all come along for the ride.
Pray for us.
Pray for us is right. You pray for them, cause they in another world. Oh yes, both of them. That one in the back seat. Do we know her?
Oh Lord. You just were with. Okay.
We love her. We love her. We can't put her out. She's an experience.
All right, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and check this place out. There will be no video for inside, but I'll let you know how it goes when we get back out here.